Hello. I'm back with another unboxing slash product tour. Of actually something I already unboxed, but this is a better deal. It's the MarsAqua thermometers. Again, this is a 2-pack though, and it's a 2-pack. It's $9.79, but a single is $6.99. So the 2-pack is the better deal, of course. Now these are I have a fish tank and 2 snakes as well. Well, actually my son has 1 snake and I have the other snake, so that's why I agreed to get these ones, because then I can use these in my snake tanks as well. But the thermometers here, as you can see, it just says, digital thermometer, etc. Large, easy to read LCD display, simple operation. The probe gets submerged underwater, and actually I was reading about these, and you can use these for a lot of other things as well. The temperature range is -50 Celsius up to +70 Celsius. I mean, you can use these for a lot more. I was thinking using like an outside type of thing as well. But here's the thermometer here, and it has a switch here, Fahrenheit and Celsius, of course. Here's our power button. Battery's already installed for you. So it says 22.7, which would be 72.7. And that's close, actually. A few feet away, I have another thermometer. It says 71.2. So there is that variation there, of course, of the distance there. But suction cup is on the back here. Yeah, and here's the battery. The battery compartment is here. It's a standard LR44 battery, just a little button cell. And the probe, the suction cup sticks on your tank. Basically, you put this on the outside, you drop the probe inside, which is what I'm going to do for both of them, for my snake, and then I have one for my fish as well. But here is the cable, which is fairly long. More than long enough for pretty much most any tank that I can tell. Suction cup is here, so the idea is, you stick it to the wall and it will stay there like that, and there's your probe, which actually I can do this and hold this so I can see it change. So my hands are kind of cold, but at the moment, so. But yeah, anyway, MarsAqua pack of 2 aquarium thermometers, which is actually both. You can use them for terrariums and aquariums and stuff like that, because it's waterproof. The name, of course, is MarsAqua LCD Digital Aquarium Thermometer Fish Tank Water Terrarium Temperature, which, okay, that works. But again, on Amazon, it's $9.79 right now for a 2-pack, and I think it's very well worth it, actually, for 2 of them, considering one is $7. So it's a nice discount there, and they seem fairly accurate, from what I can tell. But that's about it. Not sure what else to say here. I'm gonna have to test them out some more, and I'll let you know how they are. All right, thanks.